Alright, I'm here at the Glendale, Arizona airport. I'm going to be just flying around today. Nothing too far, just going down to Gila Bend, Arizona. It's about 40 miles away and back. Nothing too exciting. I hadn't flown in about a month, so I'm just going to get back into it with something easy. Really good day to go fly, so let's do it. Clear prop!
Glendale Tower information Alpha, time 2050 Zulu, wind calm, temperature 24, dew point -13, altimeter 3010. Visual approach, runway 1 in use. Advisory to airmen, Luke Special Air Traffic Rule active. Hazardous weather information for Arizona available on high-watt and flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact, you have information Alpha.
Glendale ground, Cessna 5371 kilos at the ramp. Information Alpha, ready to taxi for departure to the south.
Cessna 537 kilo, Glendale ground, runway 1, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi to runway 1 via Alpha, Cessna 5371 kilo.
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, route downwind departure, Cessna 5371 kilo.
Aztec 04 Papa Glendale Tower, 7 departure, runway 1, clear to land.
Runway 1, clear to land, Cessna 54 Papa. Runway clear. Gauges are good. Airspeed is alive. Oh, that flew right off the ground. Above this dense air. Gauges are good. Excellent. I wanted to fly yesterday around this time, but if you could see the stadium, that big silver stadium where the Super Bowl was a couple years ago, approach area clear. There was a game, so when there's a game, we can't fly. So I didn't fly yesterday.
Cessna 5371 kilo, frequency change approved.
Change of frequency, Cessna 5371 kilo. Good day. Gila Bend traffic, Cessna 5371 kilo is 8 miles to the north inbound for touch and go. Gila Bend.
Gila Bend traffic, Skyhawk 5356 Papa is holding short runway 4, taking runway 4 and departing to the north.
Gila Bend traffic, Cessna 5371 kilo left base for runway 4, Gila Bend. Oh, that sucked. pilot. It's good that I'm learning how to fly and experience hand flying, but sometimes I want to sit back and take pictures and stuff. Prison over there to the left. Touch and go because my landing at Gila Bend sucked because I came in too fast. I haven't landed in over a month, but that's not an excuse. And I forgot how to talk on the radio, but shit happens. Glendale Tower, Cessna 5371 kilos over PIR 2500, information Bravo for pattern work.
Cessna 5371 kilo, Glendale Tower, straight in runway 1, report a 3 mile final.
Straight in for runway 1, report a 3 mile final, Cessna 5371 kilo.
Cessna 1 kilo, runway 1, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 1, Cessna 5371 kilo. Much better, much better. Kilo, midfield downwind for a full stop, runway 1.
Cessna 1 kilo, runway 1, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 1, Cessna 5371 kilo.
Cessna 1 kilo, taxi to park, good day.
Alright, taxi to parking, Cessna 5371 kilo. See ya.